Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to embed Zoom meeting on your website. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to go to Zoom and just you have to copy the embed code of Zoom meeting. So simply as you know, the Zoom is famous website for video meeting and video conferencing call. So as you can see, I have copy the embed code here, and now I want to add this embed code to my website. So simply as you can see, I have Wix website. So simply just I want to add the Zoom meeting embed code here. So according to your site, all the sites have option to add the embed code. So simply in my case on the Wix, you have to click on this plus button, and now here you can see the embed code. So simply after that, here you can see embed HTML. So simply click here, and after that just paste the code here. So now after that click on update. So in this way you can easily embed Zoom meeting in your